Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered, what lies beyond the universe? This curiosity, this innate thirst for knowledge, is what drives us as humans to seek out the unknown. It's a question that has perplexed scholars, scientists, and stargazers alike for centuries. What is out there? Are we truly alone in this vast, expansive cosmos? We're going to explore this fascinating topic, delving into the mysteries that lie beyond the reaches of our universe. We'll look at the countless theories proposed by the brightest minds of our generation, and the questions that continue to baffle even them. We'll venture into the realm of the unknown, navigating through the cosmic wilderness, and attempt to unravel the enigma that is the universe. So buckle up as we delve into the cosmic unknown and try to shed some light on what might exist beyond our universe. To understand what might lie beyond the universe, we first need to grasp what the universe actually is. The universe, in the simplest of terms, is everything that exists, has ever existed, or will ever exist. It's an all-encompassing cosmic stage where the dance of galaxies, stars, planets, and all forms of matter and energy takes place. It's so vast, so immense, that it's hard for our human minds to truly comprehend its scale. To help us make sense of this enormity, we refer to the observable universe. This is the portion of the universe that we can see from Earth. We're limited by the speed of light, which means we can only see objects from which light has had time to reach us. Imagine a cosmic sphere with the Earth at its center. The edge of this sphere, about 93 billion light-years in diameter, represents the current boundary of our observable universe. That's an unfathomably large distance, filled with an estimated 2 trillion galaxies, each teeming with billions of stars. Yet this observable universe is just a tiny fraction of the whole universe. The full extent of the universe is unknown. Why? Because the universe is expanding. The concept of an expanding universe can be a bit mind-boggling. It's not expanding into a pre-existing space like a balloon inflating. Instead, it's the fabric of space itself that's stretching. This means that the distance between galaxies is increasing, but not because they're moving through space. They're at rest. It's space that's moving, carrying them along for the ride. This realization came from observing distant galaxies. We found that they're moving away from us, and the farther they are, the faster they're receding. This is known as the Hubble's Law, named after the astronomer Edwin Hubble, who first made this observation back in the 1920s. But if our universe is expanding, what is it expanding into? That's where things start to get really interesting. The answer to what lies beyond the universe is not concrete. However, there are a few theories that scientists have proposed. Let's delve into some of the most prominent theories. First off, there's the multiverse theory. This theory suggests that our universe is not the only one, but rather one of an infinite number of universes that exist parallel to each other. These universes could have different laws of physics, dimensions, and even entirely different forms of matter. Imagine that. A universe where gravity pulls sideways or time runs backward. Mind-boggling, isn't it? Next, we have the bubble universe theory, also known as eternal inflation. According to this theory, our universe is like a bubble in a frothy sea of universe-filled foam. Each of these universes or bubbles could have different properties, much like the multiverse theory. The intriguing part here is that these bubbles are constantly being created and destroyed. It's a never-ending cycle of cosmic birth and death. Then, there's the theory of infinite space. This one's a bit more straightforward. It suggests that the universe is infinite, stretching out forever without any end. If you could somehow travel in a straight line forever, you would never reach an edge or a boundary. Instead, you'd keep going on and on, perhaps even looping back around to where you started. It's a bit like walking around the Earth, except on a cosmic scale. Lastly, there's the possibility that there might be nothing beyond our universe. Yes, you heard it right. The universe could be all there is, with nothing but void beyond its boundaries. It's a sobering thought, but one that is equally fascinating to consider. As we wrap up, remember these theories, while fascinating, are just that, theories. They offer potential answers, but also raise new questions. In the grand scheme of things, we are but tiny specks in the cosmic ocean, trying to unravel the mysteries that lie beyond our universe. And isn't that a thrilling endeavor? So what have we learned about what lies beyond the universe? Well, we've taken quite a journey, haven't we? We've delved deep into the cosmos, pondered the universe and its boundaries, and grappled with theories that stretch our understanding to its limits. Let's revisit our adventure, shall we? We started by defining the universe as all of space and time and their contents, including planets, stars, galaxies, and all other forms of matter and energy. It's a vast, seemingly infinite expanse that humbles us with its sheer scale. Then we considered the concept of the expanding universe. We learned that the universe isn't just sitting still. No, it's in constant motion, expanding outwards from a single unimaginably dense point known as the Big Bang. This expansion, it seems, is accelerating, not slowing down. An idea that leaves us with more questions than answers. Could this expansion continue indefinitely? What does this mean for the future of our universe? We then ventured into the realm of theories about what lies beyond our known universe. Some suggest there may be other universes, a multiverse, so to speak. Others propose the existence of a cyclical universe, one that expands, contracts, and then repeats the process. And yet others hint at the possibility of higher dimensions that we, as three-dimensional beings, simply cannot perceive. It's a lot to take in, right? But that's the beauty of it. The universe and what lies beyond is a cosmic mystery, a puzzle waiting to be solved. We've come a long way in our understanding, but there's still so much more to learn, to explore. While we may not have definitive answers, the exploration and contemplation of these questions remind us of the vastness of our universe and the endless possibilities it holds. And maybe, just maybe, one day, we will discover what truly lies beyond.